Hey guys, my name's Justin. This is Teyla. Today we're going on an adventure. Let's go. Awesome, we made it. Thanks for hanging in there. Now that I got your attention, down below this video is the like button. Hit that like button. While you're there, hit the subscribe button. Make that turn red. Now, let's get into this week's hike and I'll catch up with you at the end. Hey guys, thanks for staying tuned. This concludes this week's episode of Teyla Hikes. This week we went to Diamond Lake outside Netherton, Colorado. Where do you want to see us hike to next time? Leave a message down in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that thumbs up and like button. Don't forget to subscribe so you can see next week's episode. And while you're there, look at last week's episode and the week before that. Stay tuned, because this is Teyla Hikes, and we are going on an adventure.